JDCap26 here. Hi, modelers and YouTubers and repair people, especially the repair people because they know what they're doing. I got some paint here I want to show you. This is called Bones by Reaper that I use for the models. And we've got, this one's the Dungeon Dwellers Monster Colors paint set. And I'll show you the colors in a minute. Got a close up of that. See that? Here are the colors. Pretty cool colors. We've got Troll Hide, Orc Skin, Goblin Skin, Kobold Scale. I don't know what that is. Orc Skin. I heard of that. And Knoll Pelt. That's like an office green. This one right here is sort of kind of like an orange yellow. This is like a deep red. And this is an off brown, a deeper green, and a very deep green. And they come in these bottles. I'll show you a bottle. Very nice bottle. You know, simple, easy to handle. You don't need much when you airbrush, so you just put that back in there. And I got this set. This set will last a pretty long time. So check it out on eBay or Amazon or whatever, and get a set of these to add to your paint. This is probably the last, close to the last box that I'll add to my paint collection. I've got other colors, as you see, in my collection. I use Aztec, and I use, believe it or not, Apple, but mostly Aztec testers, and this is definitely a add-in, so I definitely get this to add to your paint collection if you do modeling. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Ring the little bell. When you see the little bell ringers on each side of the bell there, you know you're subscribed and you'll get notifications. And have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.